Hello everyone, and welcome to my unboxing and review of the Braun MGK 3020 6-in-1 Perfect Look Trimmer. Alright, so here I go, opening up the box, trying to get inside to where all of the goodies are, and pulling out the plastic here, and it's just going to take me a second. Out falls out the instruction manual and charging cord. There's the instruction manual in my hands, and there is the charging cord. But the main bulk of everything is inside of this plastic packaging, which I will promptly open up here. So there we go. Put that to the side, and that's really what we want to see, the trimmer itself. And I can tell you right now, it feels really nice in the hands and powers on immediately. No need to charge it. It just turns right on. And as you can see, it comes with that trimmer head attachment, and the rest of them are in that plastic. Moving on to the other stuff inside of the plastic now are the other trimmer heads and the nose trimmer, as well as one of the other longer trimmer heads. The other one came already attached right out of the box, as you can see there. You also get a brush in order to clean your clipper's teeth, as you can see me there demonstrating. And here I am just going ahead and moving on to plugging in the trimmer to its charger, and it does so right there at the very base at the bottom. And now just pointing out one of the main features of the trimmer, and that is that it's not only a trimmer, but also a nose hair clipper. And as you can see me here, I just merely pop off the very top of the trimmer and replace it with a nose hair trimmer. It's that easy. You just pull off the trimmer, replace it with a nose hair trimmer, and that's it. It's super simple. And now just moving on to a little bit of a demonstration, and as you can see here, I have a little bit of a half beard going on, and the first thing that I use is one of the smaller guards in order to try to tackle the sides of my beard. As you can see there, it doesn't really do much damage simply because my beard's not really that long, but as soon as I take off the head and just use the clippers without any guard whatsoever, it actually does an amazing job. As you can see there, just clipping through all of the stuff on the sides of my beard, no problem. Here I am tackling my mustache, and it's going through that exceptionally well. And now just moving on to the other parts of my beard. Here I am using one of the longer attachments on my goatee, and it did an exceptional job making sure everything was completely even. And now, finally moving on to the nose hair trimmer, which worked amazing. It made short work of everything inside of my nostrils. Alright everybody, that does it for the Braun 6-in-1 Perfect Look unboxing and review. And I gotta say, I really like this trimmer. It just does everything so well. It can cut my goatee to the perfect length. It can cut the sides of my face just like butter. It also has that nose hair trimmer. It's going to make a permanent addition to my daily routine. And the fact that you can just wash it out in the sink isn't bad at all either. So yes, if you're planning on getting one of these, it is a good trimmer. You should definitely pick it up if you're thinking about getting it. Alright everybody, that does it for this review. Thank you all very much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more stuff like this. And with that being said, thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you next time.